Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Poco X2. So let's get started. So this is 6 GB and 128 GB storage variant, and it's a purple color with a glossy finish on backside. So let's unbox it quickly. So this is the box and these are some details. Let's keep this aside and open this box. So here we go. This is the box of Poco X2. Can have an overview of this. So this phone comes in a dual in display camera with Reality Flow 120 GHz high refresh rate, 64 AI quad camera, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G with 4500 mAh battery, and it's made in India. The price for this device is 18,499 rupees. So let's cut the packaging. Here we go. So here we get transparent back cover for the phone. So let's open it. So here we get a user manual. Let's keep this aside. So here comes the device. Let's keep this aside. So here we get a Type-C USB cable. Here is the 27-volt adapter for charging. So let's power on the device. So thanks for watching the video.